Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reboot. My name is Deb, and if you are following my videos, you might have noticed that for the past few months I've been doing a lot of reviews of gaming mechanical keyboards, and out of that I have reviewed 2 or 3 Cosmic Byte mechanical keyboard. One was the Cosmic Byte CBGK18, and recently I did another one that was Cosmic Byte CBGK23 Artemis. And out of the two, the Artemis had a lot of problem, and I made a few videos about those. You might have seen those. If not, I'll put the link of those in the comment section below, and even in the information section on top of the screen. And in those videos I have been getting queries about this new keyboard. This has been recently launched by Cosmic Byte, and this is the Cosmic Byte CBGK24 Equinox Alturas. And a few people has been asking me whether there can be problems in this and what are my views about those. So I to answer those directly, I haven't used this keyboard, so I won't be able to answer directly if there is any problem in this. But based on my experience so far with Cosmic Byte, I might be able to provide a few pointers if you want to buy this, or if this is the keyboard for you. Given my personal experience with Cosmic Byte, I will not be buying this because the last keyboard was not a pleasant experience for me. So let's dive into this. So this is a mechanical keyboard, and this is a full size keyboard. This has Otemu blue switches with power key RGB, and this also has a detachable wrist rest, which was missing in the earlier ones which we saw. And let's see what else they are providing. Let's go through that. So as you know, Otemu blue switches are the clickiest out there. Then there is the brown, which gives you the tactile feeling but no sound, and red are completely silent. Reds are almost like good quality membrane keyboards. So many people prefer that because it is silent, but I prefer the blue switches because of the clicky and tactile feel, and it really gives you a mechanical keyboard feeling. So USB A. So the data cable of this is not detachable. This is fixed, and 8 programmable macros. So another good thing, or another USB of this thing, is this has macro switch. You see these 2 rows on the extreme left hand side. This has 8 macro keys. You can record macros, and apparently they don't need software. You can directly record the macros on the go, and there are 4 profile keys. This M1, M2, M3, A4 on the top left corner of this keyboard. These are profile keys. So in each profile you have 8 macro keys. So that is 24 macros that can be recorded in 4 different profiles. So at the end of this video, I'll also be providing you alternatives of this keyboard. If you really want something in this format, I will list that out. Stay tuned for that. And another thing this has is a volume roller. You see here at the right hand side, this is a roller which can be used to adjust your volume, but I don't think this is programmable in this one. It's a shame because they've already given plus minus printed in that one. I wish they had done it as a programmable key, so you could have used this for other purposes like editing your videos. So about this item, 8 programmable macros. That's what I said. 4 onboard key profiles, same thing. Engineered for durability. Yeah, top grade ABS. Yeah, we know that Cosmic Byte keyboards are, I would not say top of the line ABS plastic. It's okay, not very cheap feeling, and also they have a metal plate underneath the keyboard which gives them that weight, which gives them stability. And it seems they're doing the same thing here, as they say, sturdy aluminum frame. Detachable wrist rest, another thing. A few months back I did a review of a EvoFox keyboard, that was the Katana, that also had a wrist rest, but that was screwed on. You had to remove the screw to remove it, but this one does not have any screws. This is just, you can snap it at place, not even magnetic. Let me clear that out. This just snaps in place. This is some locks, and you can easily remove this also if you don't want that. So the volume roller. This is something new in India, at least. The other keyboard in the West, in USA, Europe, they have, this is a very common feature, but it's slowly starting to come here. Same as the 65% keyboard format and the TKL keyboard. So yeah, things have started to happen in India also on the keyboard front, and that's good to see. Volume, easily using the volume roller. Yeah, you cannot customize this. This is just for volume. limitless personalization option. Spectra, yeah, this has per key RGB as I already said, and you can customize this uh, using the software that they will give along with this. And you can change the effects, you can assign key color to each of these keys. Maybe you want to give WASD to look different, so you can assign those colors to that. Let's see what else. Gaming redefined, of course. Gaming keyboards must have some inherent properties, that is the anti ghosting keys. So we'll see. Blue switch, as I said, Automo blue switches engineered for durability, blah blah blah, detachable stress, yeah, anti-ghosting technology, as I said, volume roller, yeah, that is all in this that we are seeing. Of course, this is made in China. The price of this is 4,100. Now, if you ask me if I would recommend this to you, I would give you a very direct answer. I would say no. Why? First of all, my own previous experience with Cosmic Byte, that was not very good, and most importantly, the price. This is not like 2,500 or 3,000. This is like 4,200 rupees. That I would say that is quite high. That is quite high for this type of keyboard. Why? Because of the availabilities of better keyboards at this price point, and which brings us to the next section, the alternatives of this keyboard. So this is the Red Dragon K580 Vata RGB LED backlight mechanical gaming keyboard, and this also has macro keys and dedicated media controls. And trust me, this is far better than what Cosmic Byte makes. So as you can see on the top of the screen, this has five recording switches. You can record macros with this, and there's quite a bit of RGB, and it looks good, it feels good, the quality of this is nice, and the service, everything about this is far better than Cosmic Byte. So let's see. Dedicated macro keys. This also has Automo blue switches. This is the new generation one. You see this as stabilizers. This one did not have that. Let's see. Yeah, these are the old blue switches without the stabilizers. This has the built-in stabilizers and quite clicky, and dedicated media control. So there was the volume roller, and you can do it using the switches here. So coming to the next one, the next alternative for this is another one from Red Dragon, Shiva. This is not a mechanical keyboard. This is a membrane keyboard, but this has a wrist rest, and this has these macro recording keys. But this also has multimedia keys on top. You can see. This has RGB, not per key, but this is a good alternative if you want a cheap alternative to that. This is a very good cheap alternative to that. The next one is Steel Series. So this is, as I said, that one cost 4,000 something, and this one cost 4,999. Not that much of a difference, but the difference in quality that you get is huge. Steel Series is one of the best makers of gaming keyboards out there, and this has most of the things that we saw there. This is a gaming wrist rest, and this is a magnetic wrist rest, and this has the volume roller, as you can see here. Everything about this is better than that. This might not be a mechanical keyboard, but in every way this is far better than that. So the market it as Whisper Quiet Gaming Switch, but this is not a mechanical switch. Keep that in mind. But this is better in almost every way to the Cosmic Byte keyboard that we just saw. The next one is Corsair. Again, Corsair is again one of the very good. It's almost as good as Logitech, SteelSeries, Razer. This is on par with that. So this is again a very good keyboard. This has the macro recording keys there. This has a wrist rest, detachable wrist rest along with that, and this have the multimedia keys on top. And again, this is not a mechanical keyboard, but this is far better again than that. And the cost of this is less than that, almost 1,000 rupees cost, 3,299. But you won't regret buying this. Quite unresponsive keys, yeah. And the last one is, this is the most expensive. This is almost 10,000 rupees. Why I kept this? Because this is nowhere in the same price bracket as the last ones that we see. So I wanted to keep this because to have a good option for people who to whom the budget is not is constant, who can pay good amount of money for a good keyboard. This is the Corsair K70 mechanical gaming keyboard, and this has Cherry MX speed switches. This is far better than Otemu blue switches or any other blue switches, because Cherry are the ones who originally made mechanical switches. Yes, and that actually shows. Look at this keyboard. This is like metal keyboard. This has ridges. This has texture on the space bar. This has a wrist rest. This has the volume roller. This has the multimedia keys, and also you can record macros with this. Very good experience overall, but I just wanted to include this because this has everything. Of course, for people who do not, for whom price is not a constraint. So I hope that has been useful for you. So I have no use in asking me to buy this and do a review and unboxing, because I won't do it, because really I don't want to waste my money on Cosmic Byte anymore. Yeah, so that is all from my end. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I'll answer each and every one of you. Stay safe. Until then, watch one of our latest videos here. Goodbye and stay safe.